Hello, this is Yogi Virendra Yogi. Beloved friends, I want to share with you one of the very sad news. One of the great men of India, the director of Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital for a long time, Dr. Gangadhar, the son of the philanthropic and the great Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, K. Brahmananda Reddy, and the Home Minister of India. He is no more because of liver cancer. He passed on. He passed away on 13th of January, which is a very sad demise. He was a wonderful person, very humorous, a very great gentleman. He was ardent lover of tennis. He was a permanent member of GVK Century Tennis Club. Every morning, 5 o'clock, he will be available in the campus of GVK House and he will be playing tennis. There are dozens of the members of that GVK Century Tennis Club. He is one of the closest classmates, our IGP, Mr. Mazharul Haq, and so many other great friends. They used to make a lot of jokes, and I being his permanent partner. My heart melts. And my opposition, none else than my Gurudev Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and one of the most powerful tennis player, Rama. We used to play tennis 2 to 3 sets every morning, every day for the last maybe 20 years. But our beloved Anna is no more, but his memory is with us. I just want to share with the viewers one example. I wanted to get my eye checked up, and my wife, Dr. Vandana Jha, I requested Anna. He has his private clinic, but he never get money, never ask money. He tell me better, he used to call me BK, Virendra Kumar, come to Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital. There he has lot of friends. He wanted to introduce me to them, and he wanted to check our eyesights. We reached Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital and he was waiting 1 hour before. Then we reached there. That was the greatness of Dr. Gangadhar Reddy. The great man, the wonderful man, the very intelligent and the very bright man. He used to crack a lot of jokes. Today he is no more, but his generosity, his kindness, the great memories we share together, always is in our heart. We can never forget that. This earth is just for temporary for everyone. All will pass away one day. But people like Dr. Gangadhar, he will always be reverberating our conscience in his benevolent, philanthropic kindness and compassion. Long live great son of Mother India, Dr. Gangadhar. Lives of such great men remind us that we can learn a lot of lessons from him. Be kind, be generous, be philanthropic, selfless service towards the entire humanity. Himself a great doctor, and that is a challenge for the medical fraternity. Till now we have not the remedy for cancers. So many great lives we are losing frequently. Steve Jobs died of pancreas cancer. Dr. Gangadhar died of liver cancer. And so many great people have lost their lives There are a lot of challenges Dr. Gangadhar has left for us. Thank you, viewers. Be wise, be kind, be compassionate. These are the moments which you are going to leave behind you as your legacy. The great legend Dr. Gangadhar. Thank you, sir.